DAG has been in business for nearly 30 years. We have served a very specific market area in the downtown Toronto core. Over the course of the next 18 months, we'll be embarking on one of the largest projects we've ever undertaken, which is incorporating 6 of our brands into a massive new project which we've dubbed the Autoplex. One of the things I looked at was how do we create this unique experience but have the right tools to actually address the needs of the consumer. And TagRail seemed to be the right tool in terms of its adaptability to our specific needs.
When Shaheen approached me with his concept for the DAG group, I was really thrilled to be part of it because that resonated with our mission at TagRail also, to provide a unique experience for the customer. Working with the key people at DAG group, we have been able to create processes and create technologies that power the entire customer journey from the start to finish in a unique approach. One important facet of this whole automotive retail is that the industry is getting smarter. The cars that you drive are getting smarter. The people who are coming to purchase are getting smarter. And what we help to do is we help the dealership to get smarter also.
I see that the interaction time is quicker. Arrival to that particular deal is much shorter, and overall customers are relieved. I can say anything that we do better, we are more detail-oriented with TagRail.
Well, I'd been looking for a tool that we could apply to our particular units rather than a cookie-cutter type of a product. Searched high and low for a product that we could sit down and actually customize as best as we could right at the onset in terms of its application to our needs.
TagRail has created a set of tools that becomes your dealership operating system. So with TagRail, what we do is we measure each step of the way. What is happening? How many leads are collected? How many ups are done? And how those are converting into test drives? And whether the customer is happy with it, what is the customer engagement process? Everything is captured in a very neat interface for them.
In our industry, we assume more than we actually find out. With the TagRail, we're actually able to do that. We're actually able to do that and to see how far the guests come with interacting with us. All those details are able to be collected and then managed as well.
TagRail has been a great addition to our sales process here at Lexus Downtown. It was something that we all had to get used to. It wasn't something that we were all comfortable with. However, since we've installed it and used the process at our store, many things have happened. Many positive changes have happened in our store. One thing that we've always looked for here at Lexus Downtown is how can we differentiate ourselves towards our competition. One thing that TagRail really emphasizes is the customer experience. Having a customer experience that is going to elevate us to the next level.
As a sales representative at Lexus Downtown, DealerTag has made a profound impact on the transparency and the ease of which I can provide my customers with information right from the start of the customer walking into the dealership with a little message right from the application indicating who's just walked in, what vehicle they're looking at. That way, when I approach them, I can be very professional and prepared. From there, it's as simple as opening up the sales module to check inventory as well as collect their information. Once I have simply gathered all of the information, we then go and proceed on the test drive for the vehicle that they're looking at.
Once the installation was complete, once they got the proper training, even our most experienced and technologically challenged staff have been able to adapt to the new process, and they are actually one of the biggest supporters of the new program. I feel very fortunate to be able to implement TagRail into our store as the first Canadian Lexus dealership to have TagRail.
Everything is simple. He just one click of the button. So you are providing all those privileges to the customer so that he gets the best customer experience for your dealership. That's what we are in the business for. Put your customers first and you will not be the last. That is the mantra that every dealership has to adapt. We are in the business of providing you the tools that help you provide the best experience for your customers.